To start, please plug in your Pulse 2 and the blue LED will start blinking. If the LED is not blinking, then please press and hold the P button on the back of the hub until the LED changes. Release button when the LED changes to green. Now, wait for the LED to change to flashing blue. Pulse 2 is only compatible with 2.4 GHz networks. Please forget all 5 GHz networks or mesh networks before proceeding. Open the Pulse 2 app and sign in with your credentials if required. Follow the Yes prompt with the Quick Start prompt. Create a new location. This would be the location of your home. Select Save. Now select the location you have just created. Select Next. Select Next again. Add a new hub. Select Next. Select Pair Hub with Wi-Fi. Then select Next. Scan the QR code at the back of the hub. Select Add to Apple Home. Select the location where the hub is going to be placed. Finding a central position is vital to all your shades working. Now select the time zone the hub will be located in. Select Daylight Saving if you require that and select Next. Success! You can now proceed to set up another hub, pair a shade, or finish.